here with Scott Mansfield. He's a plumber, and we are here on the job site with him for the second time. Turns out his employee came here about 2 weeks ago to fix a toilet which was leaking. He thought it was just a quick fix. Turned out it was a little more. We found out today there was a crack in the toilet, so we had to replace the whole toilet. So we're gonna go through and just see the wasted motions that went throughout the whole process.
So this is actually the third time somebody's had to come by to fix this toilet. The first time, someone came by to replace the guts of the toilet. The second time was to look at the toilet and see what was actually wrong with it. After discovering that there was actually a crack in the porcelain portion of the toilet, Scott had to run to the store to actually purchase another toilet, and then coming back, which made it the third trip. The waste in this was the waste of extra motion.
Also defects. As you can see, the toilet was actually defective. It wasn't the guts. So the guts were perfectly fine that they changed out. It was the actual toilet that had a crack in the porcelain, and that's what was causing the leak in the water and the wasted water to come out. Another thing I want to touch on is inventory. First off, there was a new set of guts replaced, and on his way over here, Scott bought another set of guts to replace, thinking that the first pair was defaulted. With that being the case, and finding out that the toilet was actually defected, he had an extra set of guts. So this will actually have to go back into inventory where he'll use for another job, but it's just being wasted and not being utilized right now.
Once Scott got back to the job site with the toilet, it took roughly about 15 minutes to disassemble the box and to assemble the actual toilet, making waiting the waste here. After the completion of the job, we went ahead and put together an Excel spreadsheet of the total cost of this job. We broke down the actual cost as well as the cost per waste.